I'm so unprepared for this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Today I am in here trying to get myself together. I'm getting ready to film a wig video. And so I said, you know what? I'm gonna implement all footage around these parts. So, show you guys me prepping. Yes, that looks horrible. I know. It be like that sometimes. But once I get that concealer, shape these babies, I promise, they'll look better. Might not be perfect, but they'll look better. So, like I said, I'm doing a real quick brow. Y'all staring at my eyebrows right now like, whoa. Please let her fix it. If she don't fix it, y'all, what we gonna do? Anyway, y'all, I'm silly. Don't pay me any mind. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I don't know what's going on. Like, I haven't had much energy the past week. Like, I don't know what's going on. Sometimes I can't talk when I'm doing my brows because not, that good yet. It's always one brow and it's like, oh, I like that brow, and the other one don't look nothing like it. And ain't no way you can make it look like that. So you just gotta do what you gotta do and make them work together. Mine are never twins. Definitely not identical. I don't even have my glasses on because my lashes are too long. Speaking of lashes, foundation. And I said when I did this video that I was gonna put on foundation, give you guys a whole little look. I lied. But what I am gonna do, since I got a little concealer left on the back of my hand, I am gonna put some concealer under my eyes today. Wipe this off. Get my beauty blender that is dirty. Oh, I bought some new sponges to apply my makeup. So, next time I get ready to put my makeup on, you'll see an actual clean one. So I'm just gonna get this in my skin. And it's just a little light something, to help with the darkness under my eyes. I'm not putting on any eyeshadow today because when I have my lashes on, y'all, I just be thinking I don't need nothing. And then when I'm looking at the footage, I'll be like, girl, you could have used a little something going over there. But it is what it is. Let me go over my brows. I'm just blending it. Not putting on my makeup for real, y'all. I'm just gonna put some highlighter on. I can fake it sometimes. I ain't putting no makeup on. I like, what the hell I'm doing? A lot of times y'all be like, oh, your makeup cute. And I'm like, I don't have makeup. Well, I guess I can't technically say I don't have my makeup if I'm doing this, but I just put some highlighter. Y'all saw what I just did. This is a little highlighter, and it's quite too much because I got my lashes on. And put my MAC chestnut. Cousin Jasmine, if you watching this, down and laugh. I told you I ain't got now. Or whatever lipstick this is, called Clay Crush by CoverGirl. The color is called, it's 656 Clay Rush. I like nudes, if y'all haven't figured that out. Gloss in clear on top. Alright, done with that because I took too much time doing that anyways. I wish I had a new stocking cap, but I don't. Alright, I'm about to go do this other video. I'm sure that I will pick you guys back up later. Make sure you be on the lookout for the wig video. This is a whole dress out here. A whole dress. You hear me? When I watched Save the Last Dance when I was in high school years ago, I was like, they need to stop fronting. That was not their girl's shirt they just put on her head to make it look like a scarf. And I don't know why, but that part of that movie just always stuck out to me. And one day, I needed a scarf. Didn't have one. Grabbed the old shirt, and it has been on and popping since then. I rarely buy scarves unless I find a good deal or if I'm on Amazon. But this is a dress. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go on ahead and hop on over and get this wig video filmed. Be on the lookout with the pink shirt. Check it out if you haven't already checked it out. I'll pick you guys back up for the vlog a little later. Alright? What's up y'all? Just took my earrings off, just finished filming. I don't like this wig, but if you want to hear my thoughts on the wig, head on over to that wig video by Miss Fan Hair. I will have a review coming out for this wig soon, so you guys can really get the tea on how I feel about this unit, okay? So, I just did all of that. That's what I'm about to do now. Wash my face. And I need to spray my cornrows and oil my scalp. I always spray before I oil because it just helps that oil lock in that moisture. You don't get moisture from oil, you guys. You get moisture from water. And then the oil, it helps seal it. At least that's what it did with my hair. Y'all may have different hair. I don't know. So that feels super good. Nothing like oil and all that gel that I had on the edges. Bye! Let's just brush the curls back because that's all they're going to turn to. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm going to let my cornrows stay exposed. I wash my face in the shower. Right now I'm just going to wipe it off. All right, y'all, I'm finished. I'm about to go get in the bed. If you enjoyed today, please go on and give it a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments, let me know you're here. And don't forget, be on the lookout for that wig video in your videos. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go on ahead and go. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Good night. That's what I was gonna say. I knew it was something.